Welcome to the magical city of Cusco, Peru. We are here amidst the beautiful mountaintop ruins, and today is going to be a Pilates class that focuses on toning your entire core and lower body. This class is perfect for beginners or for anyone that is looking to ease their way into this kind of practice. So if you're ready to tone and strengthen your body, grab your mat and let's get started. For full-length Pilates and yoga classes, check out Boho Beautiful Complete, where we have everything from Pilates bootcamp, yoga workout program, and of course, our yin yoga journey. Whatever your goals may be, we are here to help you reach them. With that said, let's get back to our practice. Alright friends, we're going to begin today seated on your mat with your feet in front of you. Go ahead and just place the hands behind your knees and start with a head roll. Big roll to one side, warming up the neck here. And then a big head roll to the other side, letting go of any tension here. Beautiful. And then from here, let's inhale, arch the back, look up to the sky. And then exhale, extending the elbows, round out the spine. Inhale, look up. And exhale, let go. Inhale, look up, seated cat-cow. And exhale, round out the spine, extend through the elbows. Stay here and then just extend the arms forward. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. We're going to begin by lifting both arms up, palms down, push the arms down. Palms up, palms down, bring them down. Keep going, lift those arms, turn the palms and down. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you push. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you push. Try to keep that core engaged. Exhale, push. You want to keep the spine slightly rounded so you're engaging your abdominals here. Lift and push. Beautiful. Hold. And now slowly make your way all the way down to your mat. Reaching the arms over your head, then just start by windshield wiping the knees side to side, allowing the knees to fall to one side and then the other, warming up the spine here. Great job. One more time. And then returning back to center, drop the arms, place the hands on top of your ribcage. Let's take an inhale, expand the ribcage, and then exhale, pressing that lower back over to the mat. Bring those ribs in together. And then once you're ready, come on to your tabletop position. Arms down. We're going to start with our single toe tap. Simply tap the toe, exhale, bring it center. Other toe and center. Inhale as you lower, exhale, center. Inhale, lower, exhale, center. So keep going. We want to keep the back pressed the whole time, so we're engaging the abdominals here. Beautiful. Keep going, just tapping the toe and then bring the knee up. Good. Now slowly from here, bring both hands behind your head. And then go ahead, lift up. So in a crunch position, we're going to start with our single-legged extensions. Inhale. You're going to extend one leg away from your body. Exhale, bring it in. Other leg, inhale, exhale, in. Keep going. Extend the leg and in. Extend the leg and in. And just like in our single toe taps, we want to think about keeping that lower back pressed towards the mat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. You got this. Your last one here. Awesome. Hold it. Go ahead, extend the arms over your head. On your exhale, pushing the arms down. Curl up. We're going to start with our 100s. If you like to take it even easier, place the feet on the ground. Otherwise, a little more difficult is the knees up. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Nice strong arms, pushing him down. Keep that core engaged. Draw the navel into the spine. You're almost there. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're almost there. And your last stretch. Keep going. And 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. That was 100. Go ahead and relax your head on the mat. Drop the feet to the ground. Just take a second for yourself. Let's stretch out the core muscles by lifting up into our bridge posture. Keeping the feet grounded, just go ahead and lift up. Squeeze the glutes here. Breathing deeply and then lifting one leg. Drop the foot and then switch. Other leg, drop the foot. So by alternating one leg at a time, we're engaging the hamstrings here, strengthening the glutes at the same time. Beautiful. Keep going. Nice. Now from here, last set, bring it up. Bring the foot down. Now lift that leg up. I want you to hold it and just pump it. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5. Lift as high as you can. 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Release. Let's switch sides. Right away, bring the other leg up and let's start to pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5. Lift as high as you can. 7, and 8. Awesome. Let's slowly bring the foot down. Reach the arms over your head. Lift the hips up a little higher. Now really squeeze those glutes together. Even higher, as high as you can. And then drop the body down. Awesome. Go ahead and hug your knees into your chest. Let's just start to gently rock side to side. Massaging the lumbar spine here. Just let it go. And then as you release, extend the legs, head drops. Let's take our next abdominal exercise, opposite elbow to knee, and then just rest back down. So you're just lifting and down, alternating legs, knee to elbow and down, knee to elbow and drop. Nice and controlled there. See if you can get actual physical contact with the elbow and the knee. A wonderful exercise for the obliques, for the waistline. Keep going. Touch and open. Touch and open. And then from here, go ahead, touch your opposite elbow to knee and just hold that position for me. Open those elbows. If you'd like to challenge yourself, go ahead and lift that straight leg off the mat. Let's just hold and breathe. Feel that engagement in that oblique. You're almost done. Keep holding. Open up. Deep breath in. And then exhale, switching the legs. Dropping the straight leg down. Go ahead and reach with the opposite elbow to knee. Now again, if you'd like to challenge yourself, lift that straight leg off the mat. Let's just hold this position. Breathing into your nose, pulling the navel into the spine. Keeping that connection with the elbow and the knee. And release. Beautiful job. Go ahead and reach both arms over towards your legs. Extend the legs all the way out. Point your toes. Just taking a moment here to breathe. And then taking one leg towards your chest. The other leg is going to drop down. And let's just hold it here. Think about pulling that forehead to the knee. Really feeling that stretch through the entire hamstring. And then drop the head down. Let's switch legs. Same thing. The other leg drops down. And then pulling yourself up. Think about your forehead reaching for that top knee. Feeling that stretch through the hamstring. Take a deep breath in. On your exhale, your opposite hand comes behind the knee, straight single leg switch. 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. So a little pulse with the legs. 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got this. Open those legs as wide as you can. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulse, 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 pulse. Awesome. Last one. Exhale, 3, 4. Awesome. Legs together. Let's take our rolling like a ball exercise now. So hands behind your knees. Roll up to your seated position. Round through the spine. And then come back up. So you're rolling onto the shoulders and then using the strength of your core to come up. Roll back and up. Let's hold this bow posture. To make it easier, drop your feet on the ground. Otherwise, keep those feet lifted. Let's hold here and just breathe. All we're doing is holding. And then crossing the ankles, we're going to transition over to our plank. So whatever way is most comfortable, come on up. Hands grounded, shoulders above the wrist. To modify your plank, bend your knees and just stay on the knees, just like that. Otherwise, if you're up for the challenge, come up to a full plank. And all we're going to do here is just focus on our breath. Imagine as if somebody placed a ruler on your back. You want to match that ruler. You want to stay straight as possible here. Pulling the navel into the spine. Awesome. And now let's come on down to your knees if you're not already there. And then we're going to open into our side knee plank. From here, all you're going to do is just lift that straight leg up and lower down for 1. Lift and 2. Lift and 3. Now this exercise tones your glutes and strengthens the lower body. You want to make sure that your front knee is pointed towards the screen. Wonderful. You got one more. Lift it up. Now let's hold that position. Pull the navel to the spine. Just hold that leg up. Feel those muscles engaging. Go ahead now, flex that top foot and just start to pulse it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Drop it down. Go ahead, bring yourself over back to your plank position. Same thing, you can modify, stay on your knees, or if you're up for the challenge, stay in your full plank. Holding here for about 10 seconds, just breathing deeply. Think about that navel reaching the spine. Awesome. From here, drop down to the knees. And let's go over to our side knee plank on the opposite side. Reach the top arm up. And let's lift that leg up to the sky for 1 and lower. 2. Hips are square. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got this. And 8. And let's hold this one. Breathing deeply here. Just finding that center. Flex the foot and let's pump it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Extend. Let's release. Come on over back to your knees. And now from here, we're going to come onto our elbow plank. So drop down to your elbows. Again, if you're a beginner, stay on your knees. Otherwise, come up to your elbow plank. From here, we're simply going to tap one knee to the mat, extend to plank, switch knees, extend. Just a little tiny tap. Good. Tap the knee and plank. Knee and plank. Knee and knees. Stay centered. You're almost done. Shoulders on top of those wrists. Let's hold that plank now. If you're tired, drop down to the knees. Otherwise, hold. Deep breath in. Pull the navel to the spine. You're almost done. 2 and 1. Beautiful job. Take a baby cobra stretch here. Let's just stretch out the core muscles. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose. And then exhale, pushing your way up to your knees and rounding out the spine into your child's pose. Forehead down, reaching the arms to the top of the mat. Let's just take a moment here for ourselves. Feeling that nice, gentle stretch through the shoulders, forehead reaching for the mat. Awesome. One more deep breath in. Long exhalation through your nose. Let everything go. Wonderful. Let's slowly come on up to seated. Reaching both arms up to the sky. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Awesome. One more time. Last one. Big breath in. And then exhale, releasing the arms down. Amazing job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us in Cusco. Sending you lots of love, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for full-length videos and programs, check out our website, bohobeautiful.life, where you can find everything from Pilates programs, yoga workout programs, and our plant-based eating guide. Lots of love to you guys. See you soon.